Well, here we are again, Friday the 8th of June 2018. It's a lovely sunny afternoon, 20 to 4. We're at one of the Claypole level crossings, just opposite the Claypole loop. The barriers are coming down. We have our camera. We also have the drone. Let's see how we get on. Well, this bit of the video is about people and dogs and other animals, rather than focusing on the trains. As you could see in the film, the dogs don't take much interest. They're outside the drone. Their owners do, of course, and the people of Claypole gave me a very warm welcome. Very interested they were. Now here's the horses that you can see in the film. Now the horses didn't express a view on the drones, but I parked it in the sky, out of the way, while I talked to the horse riders or owners, or both as the case may be, and was able to show them what the camera was recording at the time, and that was of interest to them. And as you can see, there's no problem, or appears to be no problem, with the drone way out of the way. And of course, with the direction the wind was blowing, of course, there was no sound at all from the machine. You can also see the cows in the left hand side of the screen. The farmers just arrived to feed them. Now when I first arrived, the cows took an interest in me because they thought I might be feeding them. They took no apparent interest to this other strange, just another bird in the sky really, and again not too much noise from the drone, so no spooking or anything silly going on. So there's the horses going on their merry way, the cows being fed, trains seem to be running, so everything's hunky-dory. More trains to come. I might make a note about what the drone is doing at the moment. You see it dipping and rolling, and I can assure everybody that it is very much under control. It's just when it stops going in one direction and starts going and doing other things. This particular machine is only 1 foot across by 1 foot in length. So when it does stop and change direction, it has what looks like a lean, but in actual fact is only the drone dipping by probably 3 or 4 degrees from the horizontal one way or another. But because they react so fast, it does look like we're rather out of control. And of course we have a fixed camera which shows all these variations in movement. Now the more expensive drones are fitted with gimbal based cameras which basically get over this accelerated or exaggerated movement, but we haven't gained enough pennies out of the pension pot yet to afford one of those. It's coming though. If you're interested in the stuff I do or the associations that I'm involved with, then go along to the Cloud Observers, the Fly Navy Federation, Arthur Charles or Bob's Engine Club websites, all of which can readily be found on Google, where you'll probably find a bit more about me and my interests. And I hope this is of interest to you.